Welcome to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. Today, we're diving into the basics for beginners. If you've ever wondered what cryptocurrency is and how to invest in it, you're in the right place. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Well, think of it as digital or virtual money. Instead of physical coins or bills, cryptocurrencies exist solely in digital form. They use cryptography for security and operate on decentralized networks called blockchains. Blockchains are like digital ledgers that record all transactions made with a particular cryptocurrency. What's exciting is that they're decentralized, meaning no single entity like a bank or government controls them. This decentralization and security are what make cryptocurrencies unique. Now let's talk about how to invest in cryptocurrency. First things first, you'll need a digital wallet. This is where you store your cryptocurrencies. There are various types of wallets. Some are software-based, while others are hardware devices like USB sticks. Each offers its own level of security. Next, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. These platforms allow you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. It's crucial to research and pick a reputable exchange that aligns with your investment goals and offers the cryptocurrencies you're interested in. Once you've set up your wallet and chosen an exchange, it's time to buy some cryptocurrency. You can typically use fiat money, like dollars or euros, to purchase cryptocurrencies. You'll specify the amount you want to buy and the type of cryptocurrency, and then you'll confirm the transaction. To recap, cryptocurrency is digital money that operates on decentralized networks called blockchains. Investing in it involves getting a digital wallet, choosing a reputable exchange, and buying the cryptocurrency of your choice. And before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And if you want more insightful content about cryptocurrency and other related topics, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and remember, as you delve into the world of cryptocurrency, always do your research and invest responsibly. See you in the next video.